asset-heavy industries. We've conducted extensive interviews with a wide range of C-suite executives in a number of companies, such as Ford, Dover, Danaher, Mercedes-Benz, John Deere, DJI, GE, GM, Honeywell, Mahindra and Mahindra, Rolls-Royce, Samsung, Siemens, Lixil, TVS Motor, and Whirlpool, and we've worked with some of them. Based on our case research and a longitudinal analysis of how digital technologies are evolving in business, we've developed a way of thinking about them that will help industrial companies compete and win tomorrow. We call it fusion. Going forward, industrials will need to combine what they do best, create physical products, with what digitals do best, use AI to parse enormous, interconnected, product in-use datasets to make strategic connections that would otherwise be impossible. Consider John Deere, which has built a competitive advantage by producing faster, stronger, and bigger machines. Today, Deere is preparing for the digital future. The company's See and Spray device revolutionizes herbicide use by shifting from blanket to targeted spot spraying. The self-propelled device uses a large carbon fiber boom lined with 36 cameras that scan at incredible speeds. Powered by 10 vision processing units that handle 4 gigabytes of data per second, this system utilizes deep learning to distinguish crops from weeds. Once a weed is identified, a command to kill it is sent to a nozzle, even as the sprayer moves through the field at up to 15 miles per hour. While initial versions detected only green weeds in bare fields, the newer version detects weeds of any color next to crops. The result? Customer profits are boosted while herbicide use is reduced by 60%. The innovation here is not in industrial machinery. It's in merging the digital and industrial domains with data and AI, a significant shift for a company like Deere that has designed only big industrial machines in the past. This is just the beginning. The laws of competitive advantage are changing, rewarding those who have the most robust real-time insights rather than the most valuable physical assets. By taking a fusion approach, companies can improve their offerings' value to customers and develop innovative new products, novel services, and whole new ways of solving problems. Ultimately, the combination of AI and real-time data will lead to a new generation of business models that will turbocharge products, strategies, and customer relationships. If companies adopt fusion strategies, they'll be able to capture incredible new value. If they don't, they'll be left behind. Data graphs underpin fusion. The goal of this book is to explain how business is rapidly changing and ultimately to teach you how to use real-time data and AI to create your own fusion strategies. But how? It all starts with data, the crux of fusion. Not just any data, but real-time data on products in use. By systematically accumulating such data, companies can develop data graphs, which capture the relationships, links, and interrelationships between a company and its customers through product in-use data and are the fundamental building blocks of the fusion strategies we explore in this book. We'll go into detail in the next 2 chapters, but here's a preview. The concept of the data graph is inspired by social networks and graph theory and powered by AI and machine learning, ML. Data graphs are derived from data network effects, which are triggered when a company's product gets smarter as it gathers more data from users of the product. For example, Google's search engine gets more intelligent as more individuals query with different search terms. Facebook's ability to deliver targeted content and ads is driven by the data network effects contributed by nearly 3 billion individuals. A virtuous cycle kicks in. If consumers find these enhancements relevant and valuable, they are more likely to keep using the product and, in doing so, perpetuate the cycle. This creates a data bond between products and customers that deepens over time. Interconnections occur at the point of use, recommendations are customized to the context of those interactions, and value